What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. We got big movement going on in Shiba Inu. So, yeah, we're going to be going over this today. Yeah, remember, hit that like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely hit that PayPal donation link in the description or hit that Cash App donation link. It'll really help me out a lot. And anyways, let's get straight to this. And before we actually get to that, remember, if you guys want automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. They are partnered with TradingView here, and it's a very good trading indicator for technical analysis, and it's 100% automated, so it's a very good platform. So definitely check that out and use the discount code Marsellis at checkout for 25% discount. Now, let's get straight to this. So yesterday, I made this little prediction of Shiba Inu. I was like, look, we are inside of a consolidation period here at Shiba Inu. Looks like we're going up here on an uptrend, and we're really about to take off again, and we're about to have our next rally. And that next rally is now here. So this is actually pretty big right here. So right, like the second that we hit this area right here, like this chance of reversal, it just started to reverse. Anyways, this green area here, remember the supply and demand, green and the red area. The green area is meaning that the demand is very high. Red area meaning that the demand is very low. So, and it's not meeting the supply, the supply and demand. So over here, you can see the chance of reversal. The second we hit this supply demand area right here, we had so much demand for sheep. So then we just started going on an uptrend here. And then, eventually we just broke out of our consolidation, heading to our next period of supply and demand. So the second that we hit this uptrend here and then hit this red area, it turned green because now the demand is very high for sheep. And as you can see over here, this is high activity expected. What this is over here, this is the vital algo indicator over here, the supply and demand zone, and the dark pools right here. So dark pools plus institutional interest right here. This means that there's institutional interest inside of Shib at this area. Very highly expected right there. Watch when we turn it right back on. You'll see that it's highly expected that there's a lot of whales buying in right here. So there is a big pump that's about to go into Shib right now. And this is about to be pretty big because there's high activity expected. The bulls are in control 24 hours for the 24-hour period by 100% of market control. So bulls have 100% market control. Over here, you can see, sheep is pretty much overbought right now. Like everyone's buying in the sheep. So we may see a little bit of a dip right before we end up taking off again. But yeah, sheep is being bought huge right now. The institutional investors, the big whales, they're really buying in on sheep right now. And there's a lot of money flowing through sheep at the moment. So this green area here is telling us that the demand is very high for sheep now that it went from red to green. So this is about to be very big here for sheep. We're really about to go on a big uptrend here. So I definitely want to see some good stuff inside sheep inside the near future. So we have some good stuff going on with sheep here. I mean, this is pretty big. And over here, you can see that now sheep has 708,295 people inside of it. Hit the refresh button, 708,331. So we're having a lot of people investing in the sheep at every single moment of the day. As you can see over here, we are now up here with sheep 12.8% in the last 24 hours for rank 12. Actually, if you click on CoinGecko and then you go down here, you can see sheep is only one rank down from, two ranks down from Dogecoin, but we only have one coin between us, which is Terra Luna. So we definitely have to overtake Terra Luna inside of $2 billion more dollars. Technically, $1.8 billion more dollars will be past Terra Luna. So that is actually pretty big right there. All we need is $1.8 billion to pass Terra Luna and be right below Doge. And then we'll have to get to 30 billion, which will take us some time. There's a pretty big gap between Dogecoin and Terra Luna inside of market cap. Same thing with sheep, but still, we can still beat that, and we can still actually get all the way up there to about 30 billion market cap. We have the potential there, and if we're at 30 billion market cap, that's going to put us at 0.00006, somewhere around there, or 5.8, somewhere around there. But anyways, yeah, we have good stuff going on here with Shib right now. Shib's doing really good. Let's click on this and look at that. So 12.9% in the last 24 hours. That's big gains right there. And as you know, the last 7 days, 242%, 312% in the last 14 days, 319% in the last 30 days, 2.8 million% in the last year, which is really big right here. So actually, it's more than 2.8 million%. That's 28 million%. Sheep is just having huge gains right now. No one is going to beat Sheep when it comes to the amount of games that they have right now, other than Baby Doge. Baby Doge has the same kind of pattern that's actually going on, and actually went over that. Sheep right now up 52 million%. So we can definitely see something similar to Baby Doge in the near future, because Baby Doge has the same kind of sentiment in the market, and people are looking at it just like how they're looking at Dogecoin. It's exactly how Shib rose, because Dogecoin had its huge pump, and then Sheep was just the underdog, and then Sheep just blew up, and that's kind of how Baby Doge is right now. But yeah, there's huge potential right now with Sheep. Sheep is doing some really really big numbers, really crazy numbers. I mean, this is just crazy gains right here. No one expected this to happen with Sheep, but yeah, Sheep is doing it. High activity is now expected inside the market, and we're going to rise, and we have 100% of the bulls pushing us up. So now we're at the 29 area, so we're definitely going high. Let's go over other people's technical analysis though and see exactly what they think. So shout out to Yahoo Finance for this article here. So anyways, let's go over here to the day ahead for Sheep. So over here you can see Shiba Inu will need to move back through the 0.00002640 pivot to bring the first major resistance of 2770 into play. So we already moved past that. So the support from the broader market would be needed to get Sheep past the 27 levels, which we've already passed that. And mind you, this article was actually made last night at 9 p.m. It's only 7:52 a.m. of the next night. It was made at 9 p.m. on the 10th. It is now 7:53 a.m. of the 11th. So you can definitely see like how big this is going. Like this is going really fast right now. So falling short of the first major resistance level at 30 would bring Sheep to 26 levels. But now we're actually pushing 30 right now. We're pushing 29, and we're actually pumping straight up to 30. So this is showing us that we're inside of a bullish pattern here. Really good news there. So this is actually about to be pretty big. So anyways, scrolling down here, you can see that we have some levels to break out past. We already went past 28.31, and now we're actually trying to go past 30. So once we go past 30, we're going to have to, but before we go that past 30, we got to get past 29 too. And now we're at 29.1, which is actually about to bring us past 29.2. So we're actually about to pass that resistance as we speaking now. So this is pretty big right now. Sheep is doing huge numbers. Like it's breaking out of every single Fibonacci retracement level. It's breaking out of every single resistance. Like Sheep is doing pretty good. And then looking over here at this next technical analysis here, you can kind of see they have the same little prediction here for Sheep, except this one was made today at 1 a.m. So it was made about 6 hours ago. And even though they made this prediction about 6 hours ago, you can still see like Sheep is breaking past everything that they're talking about. Like they're focused on the micro. We're focused on the macro. We're focused on the long term. When you look at what they're focused on, they're saying stuff like Shiba Inu would need to move back through the 2640 pivot to bring the first major resistance level. We're way past that. So I'm looking at Sheep to get past 30, 0.00030. So we're getting past that, and then getting past the 35 level, or first the 32 level, and then the 35 level, and then eventually up to 40, which will bring Sheep to new all-time highs. And really, we have this forming up right now. So Sheep is definitely going to do some huge movements right now. But yeah, that's all I got for the technical analysis here. We do have some very big movements going on in Sheep, some very huge activity. And now we're in the green for the supply and demand area, which is showing us that there's huge demand for Sheep and not enough supply to supply it, which is causing Sheep to become overbought and causing the high activity from the whales, from the institutional investors. So big stuff going on in Sheep right now. So many people investing in it. Yesterday we only had 707,302. Today we have 708,331. Hit that refresh button, 708,348. So yeah, a bunch of money flowing through Sheep right now. We're about to be pumping huge right now. We're on a strong uptrend. So yeah, remember this is I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. This is just a technical analysis to show you all exactly where we're heading with Sheep. But yeah, if you do like the video though, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also definitely check out the link in the description if you want to go ahead and donate through the PayPal link. That would help the channel out a lot, or the Cash App link. That would help me out a lot too. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside the description and use the discount code Marsellis upon checkout to get 25% off. So yeah, definitely check all that out, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.